Yeah, we will start the session. I will just give an explanation about the session so that you can prepare your mind accordingly. Okay. First, initially, we will start with a breathing pattern. Okay, that is to prepare your mind for the session, and then we will go into a MSRT, that is mind resonance technique. Okay, so it is connecting the mind and your body. Okay, that technique we are practicing to connect your mind and the body, so that will be like chanting mantras. So this chanting mantras is not based on religious, this is based on yogic technique. Okay, this mantras are being specifically used to connect your mind and your body resonance. Okay, it is a sound which connects to your body. So that we will practice. After that we will go for the yoga nidra, which is the final stage of today's meditation session. As this is a big advanced yoga nidra is an advanced session, I'm just preparing your mind to get into that. Okay, that is what we will do first, initial preparatory session, and then we will go into yoga nidra. Okay, so ready girls? So hope everyone are ready. First, we will get into the breathing pattern. Okay. So to have a normal breathing and prepare your mind for that session, first sit straight. You can mute your audios. You can mute. Everyone can put your mic on mute. Yes. As this session is completely without any disturbances around you also and in the videos, so you can kindly mute and make sure you are not disturbed with any external things also around you at your house. Okay, make sure that, because it is a very deep meditation session, you should not be disturbed with your mobile phones or any musics around you and noises around you. Make yourself, you are separated in a complete noiseless room. Okay, we'll start. Put your mobiles and all in silent mode. So first close your eyes, keep your left hand up and your right hand down. So this is a mudra, so we should practice it. The girls can keep the left hand up and the right hand down and keep it below the lower abdomen. Okay, and boys can keep it right hand up and left hand down and keep it below the lower abdomen. Now close your eyes, make your back straight. If you're not comfortable hearing the mobile audio, you can connect with your headsets. You can connect with your headphones. That will be more comfortable for you to concentrate on my voice. You can also connect with the headset. If you're not comfortable with the mobile audio, you can connect with the headsets. Okay. So we'll get into the session. Close your eyes. Sit in the comfortable posture. Relax your breathing. Put effort on your breathing and take a deep inhalation. Inhale. Exhale. Just move only your chest region. Expand your chest and relax your chest. Inhale. Exhale. Have a slow and a calm breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now slowly you will do a shoulder breathing. Okay, this is a shoulder breathing. Sit as comfortable you want. You just lift your shoulders up while inhalation and then put your shoulders down while exhalation. Okay, so inhalation will be of 4 count and exhalation will be of 8 count. Okay, gradually inhale and lift your shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, put your shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, inhale, lift your shoulders up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, down. Inhale, exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, lift your shoulder blades up. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. With the same 4:8 ratio, we will expand your chest and then relax your chest. Okay, expand your chest during inhalation and relax your chest during exhalation. Same 4:8 ratio. Inhale, expand your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, expand your chest. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, expand your chest. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Now shift your breathing to your abdomen. Concentrate on your abdomen. So you will bulge your abdomen out while inhalation and suck your abdomen in during exhalation. This is also with the same pattern 4:8 ratio. You can keep your right hand above the abdomen and feel the expansion and relaxation of your abdomen. Inhale, bulge your abdomen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, suck your abdomen in and tighten your abdominal muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, suck your abdomen in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Close your eyes. Relax. Okay, we will start with left nostril breathing now. So any positive thought and any positive activity you wanted to do, so if you wanted to turn it to positivity, you can go for left nostril breathing, which releases all your negative blockages from your body. Okay, so we can keep your hands in Nashik Mudra, bend your index finger and your middle finger, and close your right nostril with the help of the thumb finger. You can use your right hand. So close your right nostril. Inhale through the left. Exhale left. Inhale and exhale on same nostril. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale left. Relax. So now we will go to MSRT. Now your position will be lying down position. Lie down on your back. Okay. Lie down on your back. You can keep your mobile phones or your laptops nearby your earpiece so that you will hear the audio properly. Lie down on your back as comfortable you are and keep your legs apart in Shavasana. It will be legs apart, hands away from the body. Keep your hands away from the body. and keep your palms facing upward. You can switch on your videos so that I can watch you and correct you. Palms facing upward. Keep your legs apart. Rest your head on your comfortable side. Close your eyes. Just follow my instructions. We are going to chant mantras now. Close your eyes. Keep your legs apart. Need not move your body. Just keep it on rest. Keep your body on rest. Take a deep inhalation and rest your breathing. Let your breathing be normal and automatic on its own. Have an automatic breathing. Need not make an effort to breathe. Let it be on its own. Your body is just lying on the floor without any effort by you. Now we'll start with Omkara chanting. So you will inhale and while exhalation you will chant Om. So 3 times we will chant Om. Keep your body relaxed. Inhale deep. Exhale, chant Om. Om. Feel the vibration on your body while chanting the mantras. Inhale once again. Chant Om. Om. Once again, inhale and chant Om. Om. Relax. Now the same way you will chant inside your mind Om without making the noise outside. Chant it inside yourself. Inhale, chant Om. Once again, without making a louder noise, chant Om inside yourself. Take a deep inhalation. Once again, inhale, chant Om by yourself. Inhale. Now relax. Relax. Now we will chant Akara. Now Akara you will chant from your bottom of your chest. Okay, you will inhale and while exhalation you will chant Ah sound. Okay, so now inhale. Ah. Once again, inhale, make it louder. Inhale. Ah. Once again, make it louder. Inhale. Ah. Relax. If you're not able to feel the vibration of your body, you can keep your hands on any of the part of your body, on your cheeks, on your abdomen, on your chest, whichever is comfortable for you. Now we will chant same akara without any louder noise inside your mind. Inhale and chant akara. Inhale, take a deep inhalation. Once again, inhale, take a deep inhalation and chant akara with once again akara, take a deep inhalation. Relax, relax. Now we'll chant ukara in a louder voice. So concentrate on your throat region and chant oo after exhalation. Okay. So inhale, exhale by chanting oo. Ooh. Once again, inhale while exhale, chant Ukara. Inhale. Ooh. Once again, in Ukara. Ooh. Relax. Find the sound vibration passing through your body. Observe it. Feel the sensation of the vibration which is passing through your body. Now chant Ukara inside your mind and feel the vibration. Inhale, chant Ukara. Inhale. Again, inhale, chant Ukara. Once again, inhale, chant Ukara. Relax. Relax your mind. Now we'll go for Omkara chanting again. So we will chant it for 9 times louder. So from the bottom of your chest, inhale, take a deep inhalation. Chant Omkara. Om. Once again, inhale. Om. Once again, inhale, feel the vibration passing through your body. Once again, inhale. Once again, inhale. Once again, inhale. Relax. Relax. Leave your body as it is placed on the floor. Keep your hands away, legs away from the body. Rest your body completely on the floor. Without making any effort to your breathing, just observe the inhalation and exhalation. Let's get into Yoga Nidra. Just follow my instructions. Need not open your eyes until I tell you, and need not move your body parts. Just feel your body like floating on the water. Do not make control of your body. Just leave it free on the floor. Let it float. Let it just float on the floor. Slowly feel the body coming high and high and high away from the floor. Just observe the sounds coming around you, the sounds which is far away from you, and sounds which is closer from you. Observe the sounds. Observe the distance of the sounds which is very far away from you. Observe the distance from you and to the sound which is happening around you. Just visualize the room where you are lying down. Visualize the four walls. Without opening your eyes, just visualize the walls, the four walls, the room you're lying down. Visualize the objects, whichever you remember, around the rooms. Visualize the objects, whichever you remember around you. Visualize the color of the wall. the color of the paint, the color of the objects around you. Just observe the position of the body. You're lying on the floor, the position of your hands, your legs, your head. Be aware of your body, which is lying on the floor. Bring the awareness to your breath. Without making any effort, just observe the involuntary movement of your chest and the abdomen, which is coordinating with your breath. Feel the movement of your chest and the abdomen up and down movement. During your inhalation and exhalation, observe the natural flow of your breath in and out through your nostril. Feel the sensation of the breath which is passing in and out through your nostril. Slowly shift your concentration to your body parts. Start from your right toes, from your right leg, right toes of the right leg. Put your concentration on the right toes of your right leg. Without opening your eyes, just visualize the toes of your right leg. Feel the sensation of your right toe. Feel the muscles surrounding the bones of your toes, a smaller, tiny toes of your leg. Slowly shift the concentration to the right feet. Your right feet and the muscles surrounding it, which is just connecting the ankle joint of your right leg. Feel the sensation of the feet and the joint of your right leg. Your complete feet with the toes, with the beautiful curve on your feet, on your sole of the feet, and the ankle joint connecting it to the leg. Observe the beautiful structure of your feet and the toes. Slowly shift your concentration to the calf muscle of your right leg. The major part of the calf muscle that is connecting to your leg bones. Feel the sensation of the calf muscle of your right leg. Concentrate. Concentrate on your calf muscle of your right leg. Slowly shift your concentration to the right knee, your knee joint. A very small part of your knee joint, a small bone which is supporting the joint, which is bearing your complete body weight. Be thankful for it. Slowly shift your concentration to your thighs of your right leg. Your thigh muscles and the bones. Concentrate on the thigh muscles of your right leg. Concentrate. Feel the sensation of your thigh muscles, the blood flow happening in your thigh. Concentrate. Now slowly shift your concentration to the left thighs, your left thigh muscles and the bones. Feel the sensation of the thighs which is touching the floor. Just visualize the muscles surrounding the bones of your thighs. Concentrate. Slowly shift your concentration to the knee joint of your left leg. The knee joint which is bearing your body weight. The left side, the knee joint, the joint which is connecting the thighs and the legs. A tiny joint which helps you to move your body from one place to another. Bend yourself flexibly, which makes your body and your mind flexible. The only joint. Slowly shift your concentration to the calf muscle of your left leg. Concentrate on the calf muscle of the left leg. Visualize the shape of the calf muscle. Visualize the shape of the calf muscle and feel the sensation of the calf muscle which is touching the floor. Concentrate. Slowly shift your concentration to the ankle joint of your left leg. ankle joint of your left leg, the joint which is connecting the leg and the feet. Concentrate. Feel the sensation of your feet and the joint. Visualize the shape of your feet, the beautiful curve it has, the tiny toes of your feet, the wonderful curve it has on the feet. Just concentrate on it. Now your both the right and left leg is completely relaxed. Feel the lightness in your legs, which is relieved completely, which is very light lying on the floor, which is very relaxed. Feel the sensation of both the right and left leg. Slowly shift the concentration to the hip region, your hip joint, which is beautifully connected between your upper body and the lower body. Your hip joint, which is a place for creativity, which is the place which creates the life, a beautiful region in your body, which is meant for creativity. Concentrate on the muscles and the organs in your hip region, your urinary bladder, your uterus, and the blood flow passing through it. A place which is for the soul to enter. Concentrate on the organs and the muscles on the hip region. Feel proud for yourself to have the opportunity to create a life in this region. Give a positive energy towards it. Remove all the blockages from the hip region, from the organs. Remove all the energies which is stopping from you. Slowly relax. Now it is completely relaxed, your hip region and the muscles and the organs. Now shift your concentration to the abdomen, your abdominal muscles, which creates energy and gains energy to the body. The power of the body, the place the energy is created, and the power and the strength is created. The gut region, the gut sense and the strength which is created from the abdomen. to create the guts in your life. Concentrate on the abdominal region and the organs around it, your stomach, your intestines, the enzyme secretions, acid secretions happening inside your tummy. Feel the sensation of the secretions, the process of digestion, the process of elimination. Feel the sensation of your abdomen, inside the abdomen, which is happening. Feel the movement of your abdomen up and down during your inhalation and exhalation. Observe the movement of the abdomen during inhalation and exhalation. A gentle movement which is happening up and down without any voluntary effort. Relax your abdomen completely. Slowly shift your concentration to the chest region. Just visualize the movement of the chest without opening your eyes. Just visualize the movement of your chest, which is expanding and relaxing during inhalation and exhalation. Observe the lung, which is expanding and relaxing. The rib cages, the lungs, and the area for love, care, the area which is very attached to our body, emotionally, physically, mentally. Just feel the sensation of your heart, which is giving your love and a care for your body and your mind, which gives you the beautiful emotions. Emotions are very beautiful and it creates from this area, and be very thankful for that. All the emotions makes a human being, and welcome all the emotions from your heart, from the bottom of the heart. Welcome all the happiness you feel, all the joyfulness you feel. Welcome all the anxiety you feel, all the depressions you feel, and the worries. Without judging any emotions, just welcome it as it comes from the bottom of your heart. Feel the emotions, feel each and every emotions which is coming out from your heart. Just experience the emotions. Emotions are to be experienced and sensed from your body, and experience the joy from your body. Experience the happiness from your body, from the heart. Experience the worry, the sadness. Give respect to the emotions you feel. Emotions are the only solutions for your worries. Experience the emotions. Feel happy for the sensation of all the feelings from your body. Feel proud for yourself for giving the attention to your emotions, to give the respect to your emotions. Slowly relax. Slowly shift your concentration to the right hand. Put your concentration on the right hand, your fingers and your palms. Feel the position of your hand which is lying on the floor. Your tiny, beautiful fingers which is connecting people from you. Your hands, your elbow joint, your shoulder joint, which withstands all the emotions, which supports you. Your shoulder is your only support. You yourself is the only support for you. Make your shoulders strong. Relieve all the stress from your shoulder, from the right shoulder. Relieve all the stress from your right shoulder and relax it completely. Relax your complete right hand on the floor. Just leave it free. Now your right hand and the shoulders and the joints are completely relaxed. Now slowly shift your concentration to the left side, left hand, your fingers of your left hand, your wrist joint of your left hand, your hands and the elbow joint. Concentrate on the left hand, your arms and the shoulders of your left side. Relieve the stress from your left shoulder. Relieve the stress from your left shoulder. Relax your left hand completely. Slowly relax. Your left side, your left hand is completely relaxed. Relax completely your hands on the floor. Slowly concentrate on the back, your upper back and the lower back. Your back muscles, which is widely spread. Your complete spine from the up topper to the bottom, which is completely supporting your body. The nerves passing from the spinal cord and the blood vessels from your spinal cord, which is supporting all the organs and the body parts. Just observe the spinal cord, which is just resting on the floor and relaxing. Slowly relax your back muscles completely on the floor. Let it be relaxed without any stress. Let it take a rest on the floor. Feel the sensation of your back muscles which is touching the floor and relaxing. Relax. Your back and the spinal cord is completely relaxed. Now slowly shift your concentration to the neck region. Feel the sensation of the muscles, the neck which is connecting the head and the body. The bridge between the neck, head and the body. Feel the sensation of the saliva gulping inside. Feel the sensation of swallowing the saliva. Relieve the stress from your neck and relax it completely on the floor. The neck region, which is transferring your thought process from your brain to the body. Just relax your thought process. Relax your stress from the neck, from the back of the neck, and from the front of the neck. Relax completely. Now concentrate on your head region, your salival secretion inside your mouth. Observe the salival secretion inside your mouth, the tongue, and the teeth, which is beautifully placed. The mouth, the lips, and the tongue, which helps you to express your emotions. Concentrate on the nostril, the right and the left nostril. The breath flowing through your nostril. Feel the sensation and the temperature of the breath flowing through your nostril. Concentrate. Concentrate on the cheeks, the chubby cheeks, the right and left side, as soft and the chubby cheeks. The appearance of the dimple when you smile. The beautiful face when you smile. Just observe and imagine. Concentrate on the eyelids and the eyeballs. Relax your eyelids and the eyeballs. Relax the restless eyeballs, which is moving right and left. Concentrate on the eyelids. Slowly concentrate between the eyebrows. We will get into visualization. Concentrate between the eyebrows and observe a scenery with full of green grasses around you. A scenery with full of green grasses around you. And you're walking on the grass with a gentle breeze which is falling on your face. You're gently walking on your barefoot on the grass. Feel the breeze which is falling on your face gently. With full of creeping bird sounds around you. The birds creeping around you. With a bright sunlight from far away. With a full of positive vibration which is falling on your body. Visualize the green grass and a chill breeze. Just walk on the grass. Visualize the plants with beautiful flowers around you. A yellow, pink, white flowers with the beautiful roses. Feel the sensation of the chill breeze which is falling on your body. The bright sunlight above your head. You're walking on the green grass with a fresh air. Just by closing your eyes, look at the sun with a positive vibe. You're completely healed. You're completely cured. You're completely relaxed. You're full of energy with a positive vibe around you. You're strong enough to face your problems. You're strong enough to solve your problems. Your mind is completely clear to take from decisions in your life. You're feeling happy to make others happy. Your body is completely healed, strength, a strong vibe, with full of positive energy, with a relaxed mind and a body. Come to the presence, be aware of your body. Be aware of your breath. Be aware of the sounds around you, the far and the near sounds around you. Be aware of the position of your body, which is lying on the floor. Slowly take a deep inhalation and exhale completely. Be thankful for yourself for spending time for yourself in this session. Be proud for your body to cooperate with you. Be proud for your mind to cooperate with your body. Be thankful for yourself. Slightly, you can move your fingers and your toes. Make yourself comfortable. Make yourself relaxed. You can move your body parts, your legs and your hands gently. Just rub your palms and keep it above the eyes. Do not open your eyes suddenly. You can rub your palms and keep it above the eyes, and gently you can open and look at the palm first. After looking at the palm, you can look out the room. You're lying down. Make yourself comfortable, and then you can get up. You take your own time. You can just turn to the side and get up. Take your time and get up. You can unmute your video and you can just share your experience, how you felt about the session. You can take your time, relax yourself. If you wanted to have a sip of water, you can have some water. I know it was very difficult. You can just unmute and you can share your experience.
Thank you, Dr. Nandini. I think it was really, absolutely relaxed. I actually was in a point when I knew that I was sleeping, but I wasn't sleeping.
Yeah, it
Uh,
was a stage where you will not sleep, but you will be sleeping. It is like that kind of stage.
yeah, I did reach that
Yeah,
today.
yes.
So
Superb. That's
thank
very
you so
great that
much.
you did it.
Thank you.
Thank you all for cooperating with me and paying attention for your session. Hope you all liked it and relaxed. I can so
Yes,
if
it was very
anyone
relaxing. Thank you.
okay, very good, thank you. Anyone wanted to ask any questions regarding the sessions or you wanted to share some experience of yours, whatever you visualized, whatever you experienced in the session, you can share it here.
For me, I think I have a lower back pain.
Okay. So how did you experience? You feel tired or you feel relaxed?
Tired.
Tired. Okay, lying down you felt tired.
Yeah.
Okay, it also makes your mind tired because you are concentrating on your body. You are taking effort to concentrate on yourself. So you may feel this experience also after the session. Okay. But it
Okay.
will improve in the further sessions if you're practicing your mind to coordinate with your body. Okay. Yeah.
Hi, doctor. I liked the session. I enjoyed,
Okay.
but I don't know. In between, I slept. I don't know that.
Okay.
But after that, when it came to the throat, I remember the
Okay.
rest. But when
Okay.
I came home, I don't know, I kind of slept off. I don't remember exactly what happened that time.
Okay.
So
Okay.
how do we keep ourselves more aware rather than
It is like an unconscious stage of your body which goes, okay? So when you're meditating, when you're concentrating to your body, you will unknowingly you will get out from your world. Okay, that is what the exact stage it happens. So it is called Yoga Nidra. It is not a complete stage of sleep, but it is a stage of relaxation of your mind and your body. So while concentrating, unknowingly you will get out of from this world, from your awareness, and you will get into some kind of emotion, some kind of sensation which is very blank, and then sometimes you will come back to the realization. Okay, that is what it happens.
thank you.
Welcome most.
So when I was when at the beginning 5-10 minutes the breathing
Okay.
exercise you said to have the palms on the side on your side. When you've asked to put touch your body so that you can feel the vibration, because before that I
Yes.
wasn't feeling the vibration.
Yes. Yes.
And when I touch, so I put my palm on top of my abdomen, and
Okay.
that's when I felt the
Feel the
vibration,
vibration. Yes. Yes.
and that triggered
Yes.
the whole I think
Body. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah. The mind and the body. So that is the sound why we are chanting is that is the sound which connects your mind to the body. So before this yoga nidra, because your my stage of mind completely goes out of your control. So we are just training the body to connect the mind and the body. That is the sound which connects it. That is why it is called mind sound resonance technique.
Mhm. Okay.
thank you.
Okay,
Mm,
welcome.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, hope everyone enjoyed the session. So we will end it here.
Uh,
Hello, hello, Dr.
Hello.
Nandini.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Hi, Purnima this side.
Yeah, hi. How was the session?
It was good. Like you may call it my first session, full
Okay.
session that I attended on meditation.
Wow. Wow, that's
And
great.
seriously, it's the first time in many weeks, or you can say the months, I felt
Okay,
completely relaxed because
that's good.
every time when I am doing one or the other thing, the planning was going on in my mind.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
to
yeah,
do
yes.
next? What next?
Yes, that happens. Yes.
Right,
Yeah, this is the state where we are just giving an opportunity for our body to relax.
right. It was really,
Yeah.
really relaxing. And in case I have not any calls lined up, then I must
Okay.
have slept more. So,
Yeah, that happens. That is okay
yeah,
actually. To sleep also it is okay. It is not you need not think that it is not okay, but it is okay to relax. Because you
right.
unconsciously sleep. You don't take an effort to sleep in this stage.
Right, right.
So
So
yeah,
it
that
was
is good.
altogether good, and thank you so much. I
Thank
think
you.
all other members also liked it, and
Yes,
just everyone, please share a one-liner experience in the group so that
about the session. Sure.
right
Yes, everyone do.
we can improve it, or whatever your feelings are. One-liner are most welcome, so that we could see that our experiences of like Dr. Nandini and our efforts are paying off. That's it.
Yes. Okay, thank you for everyone
I
for
have one
spending your
question.
precious time.
Dr. Nandi, I
Yes,
have
yes,
one
please.
question.
Please.
Wanted to check. So, what time of the day? So, wanted to check what frequency, at what occasion, and what time of the day we should practice this, and how do I
Um,
coordinate this with? Essentially, I think if we are more relaxed, the body is more relaxed during, let's say, the
hmm,
fertility days. That's when
yes,
probably it will help us. So,
yes,
wanted to
yes.
know your thoughts as to how we can coordinate this with our days and what times and
Okay.
frequency would you
So this
recommend?
is a guided meditation, okay? So when you are going for a guided meditation and this kind of meditation, I usually prefer a empty stomach also. Okay, that is very refreshing in the morning. Okay, and also the area, the surrounding should be prone to nature. It should be open space without any disturbances. The nature sounds creeping into your ears and all make you more feel relaxed, and the air touching your body when you feel the sensations, that is very much beautiful. So morning also you can do it on your holidays, which you can prefer in the morning sessions. And the other timing I will prefer, like after the food also you can do. So because after the food your body undergoes many processes, so that kind of feeling also you can realize yourself, that is also a very good feeling. So after the food also you can just relax, lie down on your abdomen. Maybe after half an hour of 1 hour of food, you can just lie down on your back and you can relax. That is also a beautiful experience. And the third thing is, do it before your sleep. So that sleep, when you do it, like after this yoga nidra, when you have that sleep, it will be like unconscious stage of sleep. When you wake up, you will feel like, oh, whether I slept, and the mind will be very clear for your next day. Okay, this you
Got
can
it.
practice in these three stages: morning, and even after your food, and before your bed.
Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, so we can end it here. Do anyone have any questions, or we can?
I think
Hi, Dr.
Anita.
Nandini.
Yeah, hello.
Uh,
I hear. I
Hi.
enjoy. Hi. I enjoy it because
Okay.
being an instructor, when you make people to meditate, you cannot meditate at all.
Yes, yes, that's true.
I did, but when I was enjoying, I was almost halfway there. My little monkey kid shouted and
Okay, I saw you vanished in the halfway and I felt very bad for you.
but
Yeah,
wherever
yeah.
they
You
enjoyed
wear
till
it where it's good. Okay, okay, good, good. That's very nice. Thank you.
Dr. Nandini.
Yes.
Same happened to me like Anita.
Okay.
My small one is
Okay.
very means she was singing in the hall. I was two rooms back,
Okay.
but I can still see her.
Okay, okay.
And one more thing, what has happened? When I
Mm,
reached in head, I was feeling
mm.
sensation and certain kind of pains in my legs. My means sometimes
Yes.
it's just hunching back to
Okay,
the
okay,
ground, okay, on
okay,
the floor,
okay,
and sometimes my knee was just like jumping up. It happened.
okay,
Generally, it
okay,
happened, but in this
okay.
meditation, on the back side of my head, I felt like it is going deeper in the ground.
Deeper in the,
Okay,
yeah, yeah,
even the mat
okay,
is quite
okay,
thick, but I was feeling the pain there because it is
okay, fine.
means all the load is on my back,
Okay,
and in
fine,
certain
fine.
areas I felt the pain. And one more
Pain.
thing, all the body got relaxed, but only
Good,
the
good.
chest part didn't got the
Relax.
means I will say
So
that
when,
comfort relaxation.
yeah, okay. So when you're practicing the sessions, because you're bringing out all your emotions, and
Mm-hmm.
when you feel the awareness of your body, you will really come
Mm-hmm.
to know which part of your body is really stressed out, and you will come
Mm-hmm.
to know which part of your body you wanted to really relax it.
Mm-hmm.
So these you will come to know about yourself. This is the moral. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
exactly.
Yeah.
If you're feeling the pain in your back or in at the back of your neck and all, if you're overthinking it, so when you
Mm-hmm.
realize the emotions from your heart and you overthink it, it will happen
Yeah.
usually. Okay.
Okay.
So when you have work out deeper on those areas, uh,
Mm-hmm.
you're like
That.
with the meditations and all, you will
Mm-hmm.
be relieved from it.
I think I need to work on heart chakra,
Sure,
right?
sure. Yes,
Because it
yes.
was just like it was trying to pump out. It was beating
That
so
was
fast.
a good explanation. Yeah, yeah, yes, you should work out on those areas so you can come to know how what is your body is exactly happening in your body. Like that.
Hmm. Yeah, sure, to
Yeah.
connect you.
Yeah, sure,
I
sure,
will see.
anytime.
Anyways, thank you. In
Welcome,
many ways,
welcome.
I felt the relaxation.
Yes, good, good. Thank you.
Thanks, dear. Take care. Bye bye.
Take
Happy
care.
Diwali in advance.
Happy Diwali too.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay.
Thank you everyone. Thank you, Dr. Nandini,
Thank you
and
so
thank
much.
you. So we'll just end up this session. I think more to
Yes.
come today 4 p.m. Anita will also instruct everyone.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
let's relax and
Relax.
continue with the day work. Thank you. Thank you for
Thank you.
joining.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, girls, sign out, eat early and come for the 4 o'clock session.